Alright. Well, I'm just gonna go like whatever on this. So yeah, my sound wasn't working. I had to like restart my sound thing on OBS, so that was a little dumb. But shit, fuck phone. Okay, awesome. You can hear me? Can you hear me? I'll type that in. Just yikes. That's not good. Let's see what's going on. Right. We're gonna look at our recording devices, see what's going on. Please listen. Oh, that's not probably a good idea. Are you sure you can't hear me? This thing says it's showing that there's sound going in. Settings, audio. Well, that's a little weird. That's really weird. Let me go on Twitch. See what's going on. I'm gonna mute this. I'm gonna check out my stream on Twitch. Sounds working on my dashboard. Yeah, I think your thing's just muted. I'm gonna get on with this while you figure that out. But anyway, I'm going to be working on regular expressions today. I've got this here example of what one is. So it's pretty much a way to capture strings that you don't necessarily know what it's going to be. So good, nice going, Alex. So okay. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I need to do is I need to echo or console.log or console.log data map.meta.title. Let's see what happens when I log this out, like what it actually is. So I'm going to go ahead and run this and see what happens. Okay. Now loading, data map is not defined. Okay, so that actually does not happen here. That happens here. Okay. Data map is not defined. Oh, I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. I knew it wasn't capitalized. Don't worry, I totally knew that. Okay. Was it F8, I think? Brings me that console. Cave of eggs. Okay, but what does echoing it? Just the meta. What is the meta? That's what I wanted to do. I don't know why I went to dtitle right away. I want to echo the meta so I can see what kind of object it is. Object. It's just an object. Okay. So it's just an object with all the cave of eggs. It's just an object with all the things, so okay. Today I really want to work on this dungeon system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have first I'm gonna grab it with a regular expression. What if so it just holds them in multiple things. But I do like the regular expression, so we do var reg x regular expression for the title. So the way a regular expression works is it's this thing in Java, and well, it's not just in JavaScript, but in JavaScript you can like declare something as a regular expression. So what you do is it's how you match patterns. So as you can see, so I put these opening and closing slanty lines, forward slashes, and that's to denote a regular expression. And then this I here is supposed to mean that it's insensitive, case insensitive. So now, so I got this reference here. I want dtitle, so dtitle, and that, and then I want spaces. So the way it works is it does patterns. So this \s means space, and the star means any amount of this from 0 to infinity. And then I want to put this in parentheses. So putting in parentheses means that when I catch the regular expression and check if it exists, it's going to put that in an array, and you'll see that. So what I'm going to do is in period plus. So the period means any character except for a new line character, and this plus here means any amount of what's before it that is greater than or equal to 1. So the star is any amount greater than or equal to 0. This is any amount greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and to match, I just do var title match equals data mat dot meta dot dtitle dot match and do reg x title. We'll see if that's kind of redundant though. It is kind of redundant in this sense. It works better for when it's just like the no object. Because the thing is that you get these in just the no object. So, and it just returns a string. Let me see if I can getting note from map game map RPG maker MV. For now, I'm just gonna put this aside for now. I'm just gonna leave it how it was for now. And I'm actually just gonna what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna implement the key system. That's right. Okay. So I want to have a key system. So in here, I want to go, actually, let me see if I can find somewhere to manipulate my variables. Let's just go to common events, trigger, auto run, switch. No, these are switches. I don't want that. No, I don't want that. I'll just go into a random event and go to variable. I'm gonna have my dungeon variables be, or just 1 through whatever. What I'm gonna do is you pass in the variable that stores the amount of keys. So this is, so say cave of eggs keys. Okay. And that's variable 1. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make I'm going to edit this. I'm going to keys in 1. Okay. So I'm going to do that. So it should be. Okay, I'm just going to console.log. I'm actually going to do that up here. So it would be datamap.meta.dkeys, I think. What do I name it? Oh no, just keys. Yeah, that works, I guess. Keys. Alright. Boop. Defined 1. Okay. So next thing to do is just down here and update if datamap.meta.keys. So if it exists, var key num is equal to number of datamap.meta.keys. Okay, and then I'm going to first I need to find out where these variables are stored. So I actually need to go into managers, I think. Variables, here we go, game variables. Game variables. Let's see. I think this is just an array. Those new game variables. Let me look this up. Maybe it's in objects. There we go. .clear.value. Return this. Okay, so this has to be .value. So what I do, console.log, I'm gonna do, what was it? It was game variables dot value, and that was key num. So that's hopefully is how you get. Or I can save before I did it. Let's try it. So right now it should do nothing, and now it should be giving me 0. Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm just going to make a very simple thing, just trigger player touch. It's going to change the variable. Let's see. Control variables. Going to add 1 to Cave of Eggs, and then set a cell switch. Control cell switches. A is on. I'm actually going to move this new event page, and then cell switch A. Do nothing. Okay. Hopefully that won't just do it forever. Okay, now let's try this. F8, debug menu. Alright, let's walk through that event. Where was it? Oh, this seems to not be working. Fine then, I'll just delete it and I'll just make it a chest. Just be treasure. Sure, whatever. Instead of doing this, oh, you have to put that before. Okay, whatever. Control variables, constant 1. Okay. Yes. I'm about to sneeze. Okay. So let's go inside the dungeon here into the Cave of Eggs. Let's open this up, and now I changed it to 1. Awesome. That's some good memes. Okay. So, what is this? That's just a random event. Okay, guess we're going to do that. Okay, that's awesome. So now we can get the key. Now that we have the keys, so this is the value. Okay. So var keys is equal to that. So now we have that. And so we want to draw the text. So this dot d underscore d sprite dot bitmap dot draw text, and that's going to be string of keys, and I guess 10 is the x, so then this would be y. 40 graphics, yeah, graphics dot width 30 and left. Let's see what happens. Okay, so what I want to do actually is I just want to get rid of that and this, do keys, put a that, and then that, and that. Oops. That. There we go. And now we're drawing how many keys there are. Cave of eggs, keys 0. And then you can make a treasure chest. So quick event creation, do treasure, just whatever, and then replace this, found a key, exclamation point. Will only work in this dungeon. Okay, and then we change this, instead of giving you gold, to change variables, add 1 to the keys. Okay, I'm going to move this so it's not in the way, and click yes. Game. Alright. Now we have, okay. That's a big problem right there. We need to clear the screen before we draw it. Okay, well, that would be a problem. There was a thing, let me go on some random dude. This is YouTuber, I'm actually going to show, okay. So we're just going to scroll down. Where are you? Some random dude. There you are. We're going to go to his debug. To his debug thing. Not this one, this one. Or pause this. We're going to go here to a slow website. It's a WordPress site, so okay. Let's view the script. And let's see how he clears the screen before drawing it. Bitmap.clear. There we go. Okay, so we do this dot underscore d sprite dot bitmap dot clear. All right. That should fix our problem. There you go. Alright, now we should have a door. Okay, so now we're going to have a door in the dungeon 1. So this will be floor 2 dungeon. This will also be, I'll make this 75 by 75. And then go ahead and make this the title. Oops. The title Cave of Eggs. And we'll do keys 1 as well. Okay. I believe that's how I did it here. Keys 1. Okay. The title keys 1. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate the dungeon again. Okay, that's kind of, oh, there we go. It's kind of there's a lot of black space right there. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put a door. We're gonna go ahead and put a door. Actually, I didn't need to do this. You can just like block off this right here. How could I do this? I can block it off here. Yeah. Put a gate. Maybe. Door. What makes sense to be there? This could make sense. Oh, but I'm just gonna do a quick event creation. Quick event creation, door, you. Okay. But instead, we're gonna actually put this all in a conditional. So we're gonna go to where is it? Just go to text or timer. No. Flow control hero, conditional branch. Variable, okay, if is constant, is greater than or equal to 1. Create else branch. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is instead of moving like this, we're just going to leave through on and then make a self switch A. So control self switch A is on. So I would leave the door open. Okay, and if not, door is locked. Okay. I'm gonna make this on action button. Okay, door is locked, and we'll also play a sound. Let's source that out. Play a C. This should be lock. I almost just forgot the alphabet for a second. Or it could be door, maybe. Or just like a buzzer of some sort. No. I'm just gonna not play any sound then. Let's open one. Whatever. Ooh, what's this neon? Wow. Okay. Anyway, let's try this. Let's see what happens. Let's do a new game. Oh, how do I do that? I can actually just turn this down 50%. There you go. On OBS. Okay. So let's try to open this door on here. The door is locked. Then we go back here. Put the key, and then we run back over here. And we're allowed through. The door effect, not volume. What? Let's see what happens when we walk back in. Oh, it's actually should lower the sound on that. What do you mean? I didn't know what you mean. Like lower the sound? Actually need to. Before I do that, let me control variables, subtract 1. Boom. Okay. So keys to 0. Let's see what happens when you save. Save. There. Game end. The title. And we exit. Continue. Okay, cool. The variable's saved. Alright. Then we go in here. And now we don't have the key anymore. And then we go here, go out here, go back inside, and we still have no key. But the door should still be open. Awesome. Got ourselves a dungeon system there. Okay. So that was just a simple test. Okay. What else can a dungeon have? That we can add in. We have keys implemented. No, I don't want that. I should probably delete the save file. Let's see. Senior project, fighting, loot, piles of gold. Oh, I could do piles of gold. That's actually cool. Fighting, like the fighting would just be, well, those wouldn't be anything script-wise. They'd just be encounters. Secret areas. Yeah, those could be cool. I could just like make like a mock dungeon, see how it goes. What was I doing? I was gonna delete the save file one. There we go. Oh, okay. What it can be is you can have, say, a door here, so like one of these. So switch A is on. Actually, probably make a whole new door. Can make a new door. Change the graphic on it. Actually, yeah, we'll just have a cage going. Okay. And oh, let me make a somewhere for you to go. New. We'll make another 50 by 50. And this will be the title. Cave of eggs. Keys. Yeah. 1. Okay. And just do this. Oh. Messed up. Didn't make a dungeon. There you go. Now we can generate our dungeon here. Can put in our door now. This will be another locked door. This will just take you right here. Okay. And what I can do is I can just kind of set there, put a shadow there. And this will let you go back. Location, here, or just out here. Big door. You want a bigger door? I can do big doors. Alright, let's do a bigger door. There's the, oh, no. There's these gates here. You can do like a giant door, like this one. Then we can have that there. It'll take you here. Okay, so now we have to manipulate this. So this needs a key, right? Oh, wait, oh, no, never mind. Those will just be key items. So we take all this. So what we do is we do another conditional branch, just like before. Variable keys is greater than or equal to 1. Create else branch. Say else text door is locked. Okay. Move all this biznew down here. If keys is greater than 1. Actually, let me copy this as well. Make a new event page. Variable, no, cell switch A. So transfer player, yeah, and when it does that, just when it opens, control variables keys subtract 1. And what we do that, and then we do cell switch A is on. Okay. So that's that. Okay. Oh no, I was gonna. All right. Now what we can do is we can have like a monster, right? We can have. I don't know. It's one of these bad things, I guess. Fight you. Stepping. And this guy. Let's see if there's a face for him. Monster. Oh. Rawr. And then you fight him. Battle processing. Bat times 2, sure. There you go. And when you beat him, you get a key. Control variables. Constant 1. And then, did I add one? No, I need to add. Okay. Let me just say, you got a key from defeating the bat! Exclamation point. Yay! But let me just, after that, just do a little animation on this event. Do a little, I don't know. Yeah, hit physical's fine. Wait for completion. No, don't wait. And then this event. I feel like I can make this. I feel like I can change like how it looks. Character, no. Where is that? Let's see, actor, nope. I need to be able to change for instance, colors, animation, maybe change transparency? No, but that's on the player. Shiza. System settings. No, show animation, animations. Location info. What was this? Interesting. Well, I'll be darned. I don't know how to do this. Common event, exit event processing. Where's set movement? Because I think that's where it is. Movement, here we go. Set event location. No, set movement route. Here we go. This event, and then you can transparent on. Okay, and then you do that, and then you can make it do cell switch A is on. Make no event for cell switch A. Okay. Like that, you should be able to earn the key from defeating the bat. So let's try that. So we take the key. Bow, 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 bow. There we go. There we go. There we go. And we go down here. Now this shouldn't let us through. Door is locked. Okay, awesome. Roar! Okay, now we fight. Just whatever. That's some sweet jams right there. Oh yeah. Oh god, is the frame rate on top of the game? Oh, that sucks. Oh, that's cool. It's still drawing the thing underneath it. That's cool. Cool, I was victorious. You got a key from defeating the bat. Awesome. Then we go here. Keys 0. Oh, that's not a good. This should be using this gate right here. There we go. And this should be trigger player touch. Okay. And what else? There's a problem that I saw. There's a problem that I saw. Oh, yes, here. This is wrong. Title. Okay. Cave of Eggs was not correct. Oh, did I not save? Oh, whatever. I have to go through that fight again. Yay. Oh my god. Pathfinding is not the best in this. That's fine. The reason you can click around is because you can actually export this to Android, which is really cool. Oh yeah, here comes my jam again. Oh yeah. Just taking out these bats. I'm gonna see if I can make this battle system a little bit more elaborate. Alright. Now we go in. And let's see. Cool. Let us through. We can go back and forth between it. We can even leave the dungeon if we want. We can save and close, or just close it, and then go back in, continue, and then still be allowed through here, which is where one door was. So what's cool, so I can have doors that lead to other parts of the same map, or doors that lead to another map like this. And I can have like mini boss fights like those bats. I mean, those bats are pretty easy to fight. And another thing I can do is I can just cut off a room, or like in this blank area right here, because there's a lot of blank space for some reason, I can actually like draw out a room. Oh, there's them in the shadow brush. I can just use this. Draw out a room, like say this room right here. Surround it in wall. Put this here, right? And maybe put some water over here, like that. Kind of make it more alive. Some cracks, like that, and put maybe a statue, like right, like these, boop, and boop. And I can put a crack in here, boop, and then put like an item. I'll put like a chest with like quick event creation. You're kidding me? Oh, that sucks. Oh, RPG Maker. There we go. Quick event creation. Treasure, and make it have like 100 gold. Ooh, it's a lot of money. Okay, and then right? So let's zoom back out, and then you go in here. You find, say you click on here, Dark Souls feel. Maybe. I need to learn more about Dark Souls actually. I can have here, and then I just do like a little explosion event animation. So like show animation. Is there an explode? Is there a splody? Okay, we'll just do ball of light. Wait for completion. No, we're gonna do it on this event. And then it's going to turn its self switch on to A. It'll be a kind of like a hidden passage, and a new event page will be a door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a door event, door. It's going to be, oh actually, no. No, it's not going to be a door. It's actually just going to be this, and this is going to have through image, and it's going to be of the tile set, this. Self switch A, of course, and then just be a transfer event. So what does a transfer event do? Trigger player touch. I'll just make a transfer event here that takes you into here, facing down. Oop. Can't believe I couldn't just do that. Anyway, player touch, this will be action button. Okay, so that will let you go there, and then this just transfers you back down, and it takes you back here. And with that, did I save before I beat the bats? Oh yes I did, or after I beat the bats. Okay. Alright. Then I should, theoretically, which one was it? It's the third tile from the 2, 3. So maybe I should make this. Ooh, interesting. How would I do something like this? Because there's nothing there. I can trick it. Oh, I can't put. Ooh, interesting. But can you see it while at the entrance? See what? Oh, see the room? Well, let's see. Let's see if you can. That's actually a good question. Let's see. You probably can. I mean, this isn't the actual dungeon. Actually, you can. Look at that. Shit. Come on. Go the right way. Alright. See if there's anywhere you can. No, you can't see it. You'd have to know it's there. That's a little interesting, because it doesn't want to be able to be manipulated. So maybe I can put like a subtle crack, like one of these. Oh yeah, okay. Let's see what happens when I do that. See if that'll let me. So I think if you have something that like isn't real, it like doesn't wanna do it on a wall. But let's see, now that I've given it a look. I'm just gonna save right here so I can end up right here when I'm done. That is lame sauce. You can't do it while it's on the wall. Priority, same as characters. Let's try that. There you go. So you did a little thing, and then this door appeared. Oh, stupid. Through. It has through. Interesting. I'm gonna make a hole in the ground. How does one make a hole in the ground while still maintaining element of I can just make it so that you just do it on player touch and just do this priority, same as characters. And you come out here, you get 100 gold. That's another problem. Okay. But stuff like that, like the idea is that you can do things like that, like little hidden things. Like obviously this is the only thing. This is the only thing with a crack in the wall. But if I put cracks like here and here and here and here and here, I put cracks everywhere. What's supposed to make you think that there's a crack in the wall? Now obviously you don't want to put anything that you have to go to with just a crack in the wall, because then there's absolutely no indication. There's no indication that this crack is special, so the player can miss it. So you don't want to actually make something that the player can miss, that they actually have to go to in order to progress in the dungeon. Okay, so I think that's it. What I'm going to do in the editor for now. I think actually I'm going to work on the script a little bit. So actually, let's do that. Open up some cell text and let's write some story. I want to start working on the first scene. So the first scene is going to be a monologue. Oh shit, how do I do scenes? I already forgot how to screenwrite. Let's look at the only one script. Let's see. Example. This is only one, draft 2. Interior bedroom evening. So this one's going to be interior blackout, and it's not going to have a time of day. I want to have a little monologue before the game starts. So interior, it's just going to be blackout. Alright. Character. Oh, what's the character? What was the character's name going to be? I think I was going to name him Gabriel. So where's index cards? Gabriel. Main hero. Okay. We got that. So Gabriel. Alright. So he's gonna have a little monologue at the beginning where he talks about a bunch of whatever. So he's gonna talk about games, I guess. Why? Or maybe I don't need a monologue. I do want to start off in a blackout, and it could be a mother's voice. So I can just do female voice, and then just do Gabe, yell, wake up, and then it fades. Then I think that's shot and fade. Or is that an action? That should be an action. Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know how to do fade. I'll just do text. Fade to next scene. I don't actually have to use film standards for this. Scene heading. So then this is going to be interior bedroom day. What isn't it like bedroom? Whatever. Capitalization. That day. Action. Okay, so Gabriel, 17, lies on bed as mother 45 stands next to the bed. Character. Female voice. What happened? Female voice. That's gonna be there forever. Or just gonna be mother. You're going to be late to school. Gabriel moans. That would be actually Gabriel moans. So the idea is I need to establish in just this scene that that Gabriel has a tournament after school. Okay, yes, just mother. Do you have everything you need for your match today after school? Gabriel. Yes. Yes. It's all in my bag. It's all in the bag. Mother. Or action. Mother. Or no. Mother. I don't like using walks. Yet again, there's really not much else you can say. Just walks to door of bedroom. Mother. Very good. Have a great day. Have a great day, son. Action. Mother exits. Okay, and should Gabriel say something after that, or should we just fade to next scene? This is a kind of plot-centric opening. Or how about Gabriel steps out of bed and becomes playable. Or Gabriel steps out of bed. Gabriel, I need to get to school. I need to get to school. Now this is weird because you can't. I need to figure out a way how to do conditionals. I can have simple things like parentheticals be for conditionals. So I can do Gabriel steps out of bed, character, Gabriel, and becomes playable. Becomes playable. Gabriel must obtain his school bag. So he's gonna get his stuff in his. He's gonna grab his bag. Gabriel. I can't. Gabriel and then parenthetical. If player tries to leave without bag. I need my bag for school and my game. The game after. And no, I just need my bag. I need or I can't leave without my bag. Okay. Cool. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to walk around, you're going to go to your house, and then you're going to leave, and then you're going to walk to school, and on the road you meet with, so this is our title, we want no cards right here. Gabriel, main hero. He's a game development student, professional gamer. Just keeping notes on all my characters. Mother of Gabriel, supportive, single mom. Okay. So in the next scene, we're gonna meet. What should her name be? I originally was gonna name her Summer when I first came up with this idea, the love interest. But the thing is, I already named the main character or the love interest of only one Summer. That's Paige's character's name was Summer. But I like those kind of like. I always like the kind of seasonal names or those kind of things, or like Sky. I like a lot. I'm not gonna name her Sky though. Or maybe Sky's a good name. I like the feel to it. Or June. I was thinking June. I was stuck between the two. What do you think, Alessandro? June or Sky? What's the whole story, though? Oh, well, the whole story is a little bit complicated. So, alright, so Gabriel is a game development student, right? And he is going to... And he's also a professional gamer, so he pretty much... yeah, he's a professional gamer. And he plays... Well, whatever, who cares what he plays? But this particular day, he's going to... May? May's an alright name. I would spell it like the English month, May. Not like the... I think that's the Japanese way of spelling the name May. But anyway, so he goes to school, and he's a professional gamer, and his whole steez is that he has a rival, and the rival is like the son of this big shot game developer, and the big shot game developer makes this like game capsule, right, where you go into the capsule and you get transported into the game world. And this particular match that he's going to have is the like regional finals of the of their region, and their match is out also being used to test out the new pod that they're making, right? So so they go in the pod and they do their thing, and he actually loses this fight. But then they get to keep the pod as a thank you for testing out the pod. And May, the love interest, was like trying to be nice and console Gabriel because he totally embarrassed himself at the regional finals. And the idea is that May, so May tries out the game pod and she gets stuck in it, and her body just disappears. Your body's not supposed to disappear, but it does. So Gabriel has to run in after her and go to the world that they're in. And he also, while he's in there trying to save May, he also runs into some problems with the world itself. And from there, I need to develop the story a little bit more. But, yeah. So May, I like May. M-A, I'm going to name it M-A-Y, though. So index cards, I'm going to do add a card. May, love, interest, gets trapped in virtual world. Okay. So I'm just going to make the scene heading. This is an exterior scene. Street. On way to school. En route to school. This is day. more warning. Oh, what did I do? There we go. Warning. And that's all I'm going to do for now. So I've already gotten the first kind of part done. Yay! Yay! I'm actually going to go ahead and close this. Just look at how long this is so far. This was dope. This is going to be a long ass script. It's going to be many a pages. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I think that's all I'm going to do. So what did I get done today? Let's see what I can commit. Okay, I added keys and spelling error. So let me actually split up the commits. So spelling fix, do that. We're gonna do added key system to dungeons and wrote first 2 scenes of script. Okay, and we sync it all up to the GitHubs. Eggs. Alright, GitHub. Ooh, what's this? PPM renderer. Oh, he started his own thing. By the way, Alex, you didn't have to make your own fork of snake. But anyway, orthographic, it's all JavaScript. Let's look at the commits. So orthographic plugins, key system, good, that's there. The first 2 scenes of the script, binary not shown, very good. And there should be another JS plugins. There you go, spelling fix. Rippin' memes. Pepperoni. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. So I'm a little tired and go play some games. So yeah, you can log off as soon as you see the my logo and my sound turns off and all that. And once you log off, Alex, I'm gonna turn off the stream. So yeah, good night. See you tomorrow.